Hello class 1, welcome back to your English literature class children. So take out your English literature book. In the previous class video, we have completed the explanation of chapter 8, A Big Parcel, isn't it? So now you take out your book, open your book at page number 74. 74, we will do the back exercise of this chapter, A Big Parcel. So please everyone take out your book and take a pencil in your hand. We'll do some exercises now. We'll do together. Okay, so it is very important for all of you to take out a pencil and do the exercise with me. I hope you all are ready. And as we have done the explanation of this chapter, I have discussed the chapter with you. So you can do the exercise by yourself also. But still I'm there. I'll be guiding you how to do and what to be done. Right? See, the first one is quick answers. Very simple. You will get one question and below that you will find three options. So what you have to do, you have to tick the correct options beside. Okay? Now, whose birthday? Number 1, A. Whose birthday was it is? Whose birthday it is? Seema's father's birthday. Option 1. Seema's sister's birthday or Seema's birthday. So, whose birthday was it? It was Seema's birthday. So, the third option is the correct one. So, you put a tick mark in the third option. Done? Now come to number B. What is Seema's father doing? What is Seema's father doing? Option A. Blowing up balloons, baking a cake, reading the newspaper. What was her father doing? In the chapter we have read that her father was blowing the balloons. So the first option is the correct answer. So you put a tick beside the first option. And there is a box also where you put the tick mark. Then number C, who rings the doorbell? Neelam, Ali or the postman? Who rings the doorbell? The postman. That is the third option. Number 3 option. Do it. Done. So 3 options we got. Neelam. Who was Neelam? The question, such type of questions may come. Who was Neelam? Neelam was Seema's friend. Ali and Neelam. Isn't it? How many friends came to her place on her birthday? 2 friends. Neelam and Ali. Okay. So you have to prepare such type of questions also. It may come from inside the chapter. Now, number D. Who sends the big parcel for Seema? Who sends the big parcel for Seema? Number 1 option is Seema's aunt. Number B, Seema's grandmother. Number C, Seema's mother. So when you reflect back, then you can write the answer by yourself. Who sent the big parcel? Seema's grandmother. Means option number 2. The second option is correct. So you write like this. Turn the page. Come to page number 75. Turn the page. Come to page number 75. Here, number 2 is put a tick against the sentence that are true and put a cross against the sentences those are false. Okay, you read the sentence given here, then you will reflect back what you have read in the chapter. If you find that the statement is correct, then you will put a tick mark, and if you feel that the sentence is incorrect, you have not read in the chapter, nothing like this is mentioned in the chapter, then you will have to put a cross. Right. See, the first sentence is to A. Seema is happy to receive a gift from her grandmother. So in the story we have read that Seema's grandmother sent her a parcel. Was Seema happy or sad to find the gift, to find the parcel? Obviously she was happy. But in this sentence, what is given, that Seema is happy to receive the gift from her grandmother. Yes, it is true. Seema is very happy to receive a beautiful gift from her grandmother. So you will put a tick mark against number A, like this. This is a correct statement. Now we will go to the second statement, number B. Ali and Neelam also receive gifts from Seema's grandmother. Is it true? Is it mentioned anywhere in the chapter that Ali and Neelam, who were Seema's friend, that they also receive a gift from Seema's mother, a grandmother? No, isn't it? So what you'll write? What you'll put? You'll put a cross mark against sentence 2. Only Seema has received, because it was her birthday, so she received the beautiful gift. Right. Now number C. Seema's mother is cooking. What we have seen in the very beginning. In the very beginning, we have found that Seema's father was blowing the balloons and her mother was decorating the walls with beautiful ribbons, with colorful ribbons. So it is a false statement. Seema's mother was not cooking. She was decorating the wall with beautiful, she was hanging beautiful and colorful ribbons. Isn't it? So it is also a wrong statement. What we'll put a cross mark like this. Done? So we have done making connections, quick answers, number 1 and 2. Okay. Now the next one is read, reflect and write. These are the question part. So question answers. So I'll give you the question answers in writing and you will find it in the Telegram itself. So read those and then you have to copy the answers in the CW copy and please send those for correction. Okay, you may get some 1 or 2 extra questions also from the chapter that will be written, that I'll send for you. Don't worry, I'll send the extra question answers also. What you have to do is you have to write those answers properly in your CW copy, get those corrected from me, and then you have to learn. Okay, thank you.